Well, good afternoon. Riley, say good afternoon. Since you guys liked me hanging out with Ben the other day and checking out his whole truck so much, we came back. And since you liked my wife being on video so much, she came back. So Ben is adding a new truck to his collection today, and he's finally adding a Peterbilt. So Peterbilt's more my style than these internationals are cool, but especially Peterbilts and cabovers are my thing. So we came to come check it out. Of course, it started raining right before we got here, so we'll go hang out in the shop.
So the regular dog food. Oh no. Knew you were gonna do that.
Yep, we're back.
And
hey, at least you have good taste in TV.
It's on pause.
Did you do that on purpose?
No, I wanted to see it before you got here, but it didn't work out.
What do you
different
see,
stuff than there was here
Where
last
was
time.
this one last time?
It was right outside by the woodshed.
See, I told you all like his personal ones he drives every day. We didn't even get to. Look at this
So
thing.
this truck belonged to a 3-tour Vietnam War veteran who has a Purple Heart and Congressional Medal of Honor. And the stickers are on the back of the bed and the back of the check.
This thing is sweet.
He served in Vietnam in 67, 68, and 69.
That's like my favorite thing about all these old trucks is like you get all the story of where they came from and whose they were, and
that literally is my favorite part of the trucks, and I think that makes the trucks more valuable.
oh yeah,
Because you can hand the story to the next person. Like you get it from the horse's mouth.
Yes.
No pun intended, but
this thing is cool.
yeah, looking up factory bucket seats, factory console, factory 5-seat overdrive tranny, big block, power steering, power brakes. You never find a 1-ton dually cab chassis with bucket seats and a console. That's like super unheard of.
Ooh, it's green.
Right, do you like it? Oh, I hear the new truck. Better get outside. Come on, Ryan, let's go. Come on, Ryan. The new truck's here. Let's go.
They'll back it up. So Case is gonna hate this.
I am so jealous right now.
You can drive it anytime you want. You can drive it anytime you want.
Do you even have your Class A?
Yeah.
It's got some frame to it. Okay, well, everyone's scared of the cold, so they're inside the shop. I want to check out the truck. So my first truck that got me started in business on my own was a 1976 Pete 352 cabover. This one is a 79, so this one should have the front brakes on it and all that. Yeah, it does. So my truck was a 76. It was built in 74, sold in 75, titled to 76. So anything built before 75 doesn't have front brakes on it from the factory. Well, most don't. So mine didn't have front brakes on it, and with all the weight up here on the front end and nothing on the back, if you're driving around with no trailer like this, it was sketchy. But this is a 79. It has a small cam 350, 13-speed trans, same exact engine transmission setup as what mine has, or had, sorry. Same dash layout. It's like exactly the same as how mine was inside, except mine had the full button tuck interior, which is kind of like this here, but it had it over the doghouse and everything too. So this is definitely like trip down memory lane from what I started out with about 10 years ago, which is crazy to think about. I am definitely jealous. Here comes Riley. Oh, she found a ball. And I don't know if I caught it on camera or not, but he did say I could drive it whenever I wanted. And I have a witness because she was there when I said it. Oh, here's something that mine didn't have, was a luxury they put in some of the later ones, and then some people also did it custom on their own, is the sleeper. My sleeper went just straight all the way across like this. And some of the later model 352s, I think the 362s might have had it, and some people did this custom, was they would cut this back right here, and then you can move the seat back farther for tall people like me. Cool setup. Yep, super jealous. So which one's gonna be the star of the show? The kid or the puppy?
Nope.
Yeah. Right? What you got? A puppy?
Yeah.
You like it? You want to steal her and take her home?
No.
No? Okay. You're too nice.
I'll steal her.
No, no. Mom, do you want to carry home?
No, I want to take a picture of you guys. Smile.
Oh. What now? There you go.
Come here, girl.
Well, at least he has good taste in trucks.
That's what you're supposed to. Two and 3/4 out of the manifold into the muffler. The muffler's for a medium duty RV, so it's about this long.
Start that one again.
She said, start that one again.
So one of you was asking about an 1100C four-wheel drive, which I don't know if there's any quite around here or not, but this here is a 1200C four-wheel drive, and it's in the shop right now. It's getting a new door put on that side. I think it's actually sitting in the bed, and then this fender's crunched, so it's getting a new one thrown on right here, and then it'll be a totally straight 1200C four-wheel drive. Inside, dash-wise, is actually really, really nice. Floor doesn't have any holes in it or anything. This thing's actually pretty sweet. There's the grill and the other door for it. Well, we talked about it so long it got dark, so that's a good thing.
I feel like
Every
you're
other
coming
light
back.
works though.
Oh, I'm coming back for sure.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow or the next day. You never know.
And those Perlux
Find
lights
something
are
to-
brand new. And they work. It looks good in the dark.
It does?
Yeah, everything looks good in the dark. I look good in the dark.
I really appreciate you calling me.
Yeah, that is a sweet ride.
One of those things where
So we're gonna put a fifth wheel on the back of this, and then he's got a 3-car trailer he's gonna pull with it to haul around all these old classics. So you will see more of this truck later, but for now the girls are tired, so I'm gonna head home.
I believe they'll
We'll see you later.
Thanks for coming.
See ya.
We'll see you soon.
Yep, more to come for sure. See you later.